what you have to do and enjoy the view. Hit this one out of the park, you know, one step back, another is changing for you. What are you gonna do? So let it ride, let it feel right. It sounds good to me. I say let it fly and roll with the moment, where you feel like taking a second at a time. Roll with the moment, where you feel like making it good. Yeah, let it fly and roll with the moment. There's no other place to be. So roll with the moment. Catch that one riding alone.